Is your 2014 Infiniti QX60 key fob not working? The most common reasons are a dead battery, synchronization issues, or problems with the push-button start system. First, replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. It's often the culprit. Next, try a push-start reset. Insert the fob into the start button slot, hold the brake, and cycle the ignition. Still no luck? It might need reprogramming. Remember, issues with these fobs are common as the car ages, but most fixes are straightforward. If a battery swap and push-start reset don't work, reprogramming is likely needed. A quick way to try it yourself is to use a YouTube tutorial. Search Infiniti QX60 key fob reprogramming, which often involves cycling the ignition multiple times and pressing buttons in sequence. If DIY fails, consider using an OBD2 scanner for deeper diagnostics to check for underlying issues. Be aware of potential corrosion inside the fob. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, a dealer or mechanic can reflash the ECU, but DIY fixes are successful for most issues. Aim for proactive battery checks to avoid future problems.